show you how to insert an image in the Excel app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the insert menu in the top row, and here we have pictures. We click on this, and here we have two options. We can either place a picture in the cell or place over the cells. Let's place a picture over the cells. Then we can click on photo browser. We can click on allow all access to all photos, and then let's insert this image. And as you can see, this image is going to be inserted right here. We can resize it to our liking, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.